My name's Mike Knight. I'm the head coach at Newport Cricket Club, so I'm involved in the playing side pretty much from top to bottom. We're a big club, we're a successful club, but it hasn't come without a lot of hard work and effort. If you want to have a successful club, you really need to develop your junior cricket section. We recognised quite a while ago that some 15 and 16-year-olds, their powers of playing were starting to become on the wane, and it was important that we felt to keep them involved in the club. So we piloted a young leaders course. It's designed to target youngsters to try to get them to do voluntary work. The kids absolutely loved it. I could have filled the course twice, and the children who did it came out of it with a qualification. The club get a lot from it as well because it's a self-perpetuating cycle. The youngsters come through, we then train them to be coaches, and they then help bring on the next group of young children. We are fortunate in that we've got a lot of voluntary help. When people come here and look at the grounds, they think that we've got 5 full-time groundsmen, but we haven't. They're all volunteers. When the parents come here, they generally stay and watch matches, and bit by bit I think they get more involved in the club and appreciate that they are needed, really. And I think, then when the time comes right, we ask them for a little bit of support, and generally they say yes. Our committee is made up of quite a few parents. We meet once a month, and that's really where most of the decision making is done. And then from there, we try to develop what's gone on in the previous meeting to develop the club. That's how it works. I think the volunteers have got to have their heart in the club. I think they need to be hard working. They need to be prepared to give up time and show a commitment and a dedication. I think fortunately our volunteers do that. From ploughed fields and football pitches 25 years later, we're now a first-class venue. I think it just goes to show other clubs and other people what can be achieved with a lot of hard work. I think it's a testament really to the people who are volunteering, giving up their time on a daily basis, really. I don't think the club would be able to run as it does without that group of volunteers, and without them we wouldn't have anything.